There is lots of big and breaking news happening today about Nikola Motor. Nikola announced factory groundbreaking for semi-truck. Nikola announced a date for the Nikola World 2020 event showcasing the Badger electric pickup truck. Today, Nikola's founder and chairman Trevor Milton announced two breaking news, tweeting the dates of the Nikola World 2020 and a factory groundbreaking for the Nikola semi-truck. Groundbreaking of the factory will take place next month. I think Tesla now needs to really accelerate its semi-truck production plans. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haryan from TalkNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it on social media, and please join our community because we're going to keep our finger on the pulse of this Nikola truck, semi-truck developments, as well as Badger developments. So let's get started. First, let me read Trevor Milton's today's tweets, both of them labeled as breaking news. Breaking: get your calendar ready and time off. Nikola World 2020 happens December 3rd and 4th in Phoenix, Arizona, where the Badger will be unveiled for the first time. Want to come? Make sure you are first in line to place a paid reservation on June 29th for the Nikola Badger 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Second tweet: breaking: Nikola Motor Factory in Coolidge, Arizona breaks ground July 23rd. The ceremony will be held there to kick off construction of the plant that will build up to 35,000 zero-emission semi-trucks and create thousands of jobs. Nikola, the manufacturer of electric trucks, has just announced the much-anticipated dates for the Nikola World 2020, an event where the company hopes to debut the Badger electric pickup truck and a new battery possessing a record energy density of 1,100 watt-hours per kilogram on the material level and 500 watt-hour per kilogram on the production cell levels. The official Twitter handle of Trevor Milton, the CEO of Nikola Motors, posted the following tweet just moments ago. Like I read already, breaking: get your calendars ready and time off. Nikola World 2020 happens December 3rd and 4th in Phoenix, Arizona, where the Badger will be unveiled for the first time. Want to come? Make sure you are first in line to place a paid reservation on June 29th for the Nikola Badger 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Earlier this week, Nikola unveiled 3 reservation packages pertaining to the Badger electric truck. The packages starting from $250 and go all the way up to $5,000, offering free balloting entries for the Badger giveaway, discount on the MSRP of the company's offerings, and tickets to the Nikola World 2020. Of course, today's announcement could not have come at a better time for Nikola bulls. The company became embroiled in a controversy on the 17th of June when Bloomberg published a damning report related to an event about 3.5 years back. As per Bloomberg's reporter Edward Ludlow, the CEO of Nikola Motors, Trevor Milton, had claimed during the event that Nikola 1, a Class 8 electric truck, was drivable at the time, even though the reporter's conversations with people familiar with the truck's capability revealed that to be untrue, given that the truck was missing key components. After the publication of the Bloomberg report, Milton took to Twitter and called Ludlow's claim a fabrication, asserting that Nikola would take all steps to enforce its rights and protect the good name and the reputation of its founder. Bloomberg's reporting on this matter goes to the very heart of Nikola's ambitions. While the company portrays itself as a force that would revolutionize the entire industry, its detractors point to the fact that it will not generate even $1 in sales until late 2021. Even then, it is as yet uncertain whether the requisite infrastructure will be in place for the formal commencements of operations. Should Bloomberg's claim be found true, it would indicate that the company has a habit of hyping up its products but falling short on delivery. It is therefore hardly surprising that Nikola stock is now becoming a magnet for short sellers But we're not sure. This is not what I'm saying. Nonetheless, giving today's encouraging announcement, Nikola shares are rallying. As of 9:24 Eastern Time, the shares were up at $1.57% in today's session. This follows a gain of 5.72% that the company recorded on Thursday, and year to date, Nikola has recorded gains of 556%. That's year to date. Bear in mind that Nikola crossed another milestone on Wednesday when Cowen Incorporated initiated its coverage of the stock. While not necessarily the initiation of coverage by analysts is viewed by many veteran investors as a sign of increased prominence and relevance, Jeffrey Osborne, an analyst at Cowen, initiated Nikola's coverage on the 17th of June with an outperform rating and a $79 stock price target. Nikola's share price had plunged earlier this week when it disclosed via a prospectus filed during the after-hour trading session on Monday that it may issue 23.89 million additional common shares upon the exercise of pertinent warrants. Moreover, as per the filing, 53.39 million common shares also, along with 890,000 private warrants, may be sold by selling security holders at appropriate intervals. The announcement revived fears of an onslaught of insider selling, prompting a decline in the stock price. So Nikola founder Trevor Milton just tweeted the second tweet, writing, "Breaking: Nikola Motor Factory in Coolidge, Arizona breaks ground July 23rd. The ceremony will be held there to kick off construction of the plant that will be building up to 35,000 zero-emissions semi-trucks and create thousands of jobs." This is a very important news because in the past, when we have been reporting about Nikola semi-truck, we said that there are lots of positives. While there are lots of positives, Nikola doesn't have a company. At some point, Nikola was looking for partners to build company, and maybe this groundbreaking of a Nikola factory is going to be with a partner. We don't know, but we already have a date for companies, semi-truck production factories groundbreaking. And I don't know if Tesla has a semi-truck production facility yet. I don't know where Tesla plans to build its semi-truck. Maybe Tesla is going to build another facility, another gigafactory for semi-truck, maybe in Fremont. In fact, we have suggested that Tesla can quickly organize a production of Tesla Semi at Fremont in tenths, because like it did with Model 3. I don't know, but Nikola, a company that designs and intends to produce electric semi-trucks, has seen its stock almost double to levels of around 65 since early June. This puts the market cap of the company, which went public earlier this month, following a reverse merger with a publicly traded special purpose acquisition entity, at about $23 billion, roughly in line with Ford, which sold over 5 million vehicles last year. Investors are betting on the increasing electrification of the trucking industry as the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency finalizes regulations to slash emissions from heavy-duty trucks by a quarter starting from 2027. Below, let's look at the overview of Nikola's plans. Nikola's primary focus will be on its electric semi-trucks, which will use hydrogen fuel cells instead of batteries that are used in electric vehicles, including Tesla's upcoming semi-truck. However, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles could have a couple of advantages, particularly in commercial applications. Firstly, they have shorter recharge times, similar to diesel trucks, which is helpful for commercial vehicles that can't afford downtime at the battery charging stations. Secondly, the range is also likely to be higher, with Nikola indicating that its truck could have a range of 500 to 750 miles compared to Tesla's Semi, which has a maximum range of 500 miles. Forbes reports. While both Nikola and Tesla will need to do a lot of heavy lifting in terms of building recharging infrastructure for their semi-trucks, we think Nikola's focus on hydrogen cells could provide more expensive and complex. Unlike traditional electric vehicle recharging stations that supply electricity, Nikola's refueling stations need to produce hydrogen via a process of electrolysis. Now, Nikola's partner-driven manufacturing versus Tesla's vertically integrated model. We know that Nikola likes to build partnerships in terms of manufacturing, and Tesla is going to go vertically integrated, building its own semi-truck. Nikola has partnered with established industry manufacturers, including equipment maker CNH Industrial, CNHI, that makes the Iveco brand of trucks, and German automotive supplier Robert Bosch. While the initial manufacturing of Nikola trucks will begin at CNH facilities in Europe, the company intends to eventually build out a factory in Arizona. And we just reported, Trevor Milton reported that groundbreaking date will be July 23rd, Nikola's Arizona factory's groundbreaking date. This is in contrast with Tesla, which has built its own highly automated, vertically integrated manufacturing that should allow for lower costs and better efficiencies. While Nikola's hydrogen fuel semi trucks are likely to begin deliveries only in 2023, the company will roll out a battery-powered truck called Nikola TRE next year. Tesla's semi deliveries are likely to start around 2021 as well. While Nikola indicated that it has 14,000 orders for its semi-trucks, they are unlikely to be binding as there was no deposit money required. Around 2018, Tesla indicated that it has about 2,000 orders for its semi with a deposit. So I think next year, God willing, everything goes well, we probably will see 2 new semi-trucks, Nikola TRE and Tesla Semi, and see how things go. Let me know what you think about these things, and let me know what you think about Nikola World Nikola Day, and as well as Nikola World 2020 event, as well as the groundbreaking of Nikola's Arizona plant. And in the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Friends, have a wonderful rest of the day. I'll see you in our next report later today. God bless you, and take good care of each other and your families. See you soon.